Wow, this is so big. This is the breed we call large white. This pig breed. That's the name. Large white. Large white.
Okay.
That's the name of this breed. This is large white. Pig breed. This is large white. Ma?
10. You see? You write 10. 10 naira. Àbí wọ́n tún jáwó tèmi ni.
Wow, look at the babies here. Ṣé àwọn ọmọ yìí ṣé the same day náà bí wọn? So ẹ rí pé kan shoot out. Ṣé èyí tó shoot out yẹ? Òun ló kọ́kọ́ jáde. Òun náà mò ń sọ large white lélẹ̀. Okay, òun náà cross sí wọn àbí?
Eléyìí mixture ni torí àwọn akọ́pọ̀ ń dà.
Okay.
Mixture ni wọ́n so ẹyọ ọ̀kan yìí.
Oníkálùkù wa ń.
Ẹyọ ọ̀kan yìí ló jẹ́.
Ìfi bàbá yìí.
Ah, this is so lovely.
Bàbá. Ebi bàbá yìí.
Then another thing too ni pé bàtà bá ń breastfeed. Àwọn kan máa ń rí bí sọ́ọ̀kì ju àwọn kan lọ. Ó máa ń ṣẹlẹ̀ nínú hábìtì náà. Ṣẹlẹ̀ yìí tó bá ti yín insist.
Eléyìí nìsín ó ṣẹlẹ̀ lọ́dún.
Okay.
Just 1 year and few weeks ni bó ṣe wà yìí. Àwọn eléyìí ni wọ́n ti lé ní 1 year plus báyìí. Look at the size.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni, ó tóbi jù wọn, ó tóbi jù wọn. Wow.
Akọ wá sí ilé ìlú ìlú.
Akọni. Láàtà eléyìí náà.
Ṣé akọ yẹn? Ó yẹ kẹ́ fi breed yẹ kẹ́ tó ta.
No, ẹ jẹ́ kó ìpò.
Ẹ jẹ́ kó produce náà. Wow, look at this gigantic pig here. Alright, I'm going to be talking about pig farming very soon on this channel. I just had to make this video today. This is awesome. This is absolutely awesome. Okay. Wow. This is so incredible. This is so good. Wow, this is so beautiful. This is so good. Ìgbẹ́lẹ̀ kan sí. Wọ́n náà. How old làwọn ọmọ yìí wà?
Just 1 month plus.
1 month. Ẹ máa ń jẹ́ kó tó how old kẹ́ tó tà wọ́n?
Ní ìta àwọn ọmọ.
Okay, ó dàgbà tó dàgbà.
Wọ́n á rí ká ta àwọn ọmọ láti pè mí.
Mo rí pé àwọn ẹ̀ ti dàgbà ju àwọn eléyìí lọ.
Àwọn ilé ní sìn, going to come 5 months now.
Okay. Eléyìí tó ti pé 1 year plus yìí ń sìn, ó ti bímọ tó mẹ́lò. Ẹ̀méjì. Wow. But ṣé wá lákọ tó ṣàìsẹ̀ tó máa lè gùn wá?
Òun náà ni
Okay.
Lẹ́yìn ọmọ ìlú
this one is so big so big. Ó máa da kí irú akọ irú eléyìí kan kó wà níbí báyìí. So that máa improve àwọn yòókù.
Akọ yàtàbọ̀ ẹ̀ torí another breed.
Okay.
breed tiẹ̀ tó yàtọ̀ sáwọn ilé.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni, bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
Yìí náà sì tún ní ìkan níwájú tó jẹ́ pé fast growth náà ló náà within 3-4 months yóò ti fẹ́ tó size ilé.
Okay.
So breed like this.
Oh, this is so good. This is so beautiful.
Ẹlẹ́dẹ̀ fún ìlú fẹ́rẹ̀.
Mo ṣe rí lè náà ni.
Léèyàn náà ọmọ olóbí yìí tí ó tó tóbi.
Okay. Àwọn ẹlẹ́dẹ̀ yìí ti wá try because fáwọn nǹkan tí mo bí gbogbo àwọn igi wọ́n ti fọ́ ògbógi dànù wọ́n ti wó ògbógi dànù.
Tó ṣẹlẹ̀ pẹ̀lú àwọn ilé mi pé
Okay.
ìjẹ́ kó ń jẹ
Kó wọ́n
oúnjẹ bá ti wọ́n wọn.
kò sí ní tàn lè ṣe.
Ojú kó ń jẹ wọ́n wọn gan àtúnṣe tí bá ti ṣe mí.
Sí bíbá yìí ṣe díẹ̀. Wow, this is so good. This is so good. This is so good. This is so good. Pig is very lucrative too, but one need land. Ileni. Good land space. I will rabbit inside. I've been using that little space for a long time, and more than produce over 6,000 rabbits in there. And we are still producing. She understand. But pig, if you will enjoy the production, there must be good land. Serenity. So these are the kind of places livestock with man shedada. Because what you want, to make body people too large. One must sáré nínú cages. One must sáré to disturb people everywhere. Very cool, calm place. The livestock with man.
We are now moving
into the bush. Torí pé it's in the loo. Exactly, and the people that are living there, they won't be comfortable with the smell. Wow.
Listen, Nigeris, you even farming, farmers to sort of livestock. If you don't have your own land, you get a higher land. Nigeris,
Burn. Because of the population growth, and when you're moving, you're right. Maurice, lands are cheaper here.
Yes.
But you're talking about Abuja, what you will spend on land for farming, go OTJ, a lot of capital already.
So they have to come down.
And agriculture, they were very lucrative in Nigeria because of our population. Population wa pọ̀ gan. Nǹkan tẹ́nu máa jẹ gan, ó pọ̀ gan.
Not about population again. That's the best business for now.
Yeah.
Because cassava now, they will just put some down now. They will tell you this 40,000. So all those things, one has to put it in consideration.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
One must not use that in the race.
Vision only. When it comes to agriculture, if you have the vision for it, you will do it. If you have the vision for it, you will do it. Mommy, vision is provision. What? Yes. No, you just need to put your mind at it. You need to put your mind at it. I started my rabbit farming in Alon that year with 2 female and 2 male. Sir, as I'm talking to you right now, I've produced not less than 6,000 rabbits. I've sold everything. So 6,000 months for a kitchen, I want to produce anything that it. But I started small because that time, in fact, I didn't have a cage. One abandoned toilet. One abandoned toilet was where I started. She understand? I started growing. It was from there they produced 35 babies. 35 babies here. Now when you are with the first cage. Now we have a mega farm. We have a major rabbit farm now. But I'm talking about 7 years ago now. That was how I started. If I had not started the mega farm we have today, we won't even have it. Vision, the provision. If you have the vision, the provision will come. It will even put you under a strained discipline. Do you understand? Because if etiquette, you won't be spending money anyhow. When people are buying phone, buying clothes and all those things, you are on a vision. So it might mean that the next 2 years you say no to luxury. People will look at you as if you don't know what you are doing. By the time you start investing, how did you do it? So no vision, the provision. Do you know how many people today who are using iPhone 15, iPhone 16, and their parents are collecting cooperative to pay their school fee? If I'm that parent, iPhone 15 or where here, it's more than enough for maybe 2 or 3 sessions school fee. So any parent should not be putting themselves under pressure. Discipline. We need to start imbibing discipline into our children, into the young people especially. You understand? Because luxury, in that young people spend on luxury, man. Elomiti ná owó ilé. What if you have phone? Hey, imagine. All our bone strain 350, bone strain 500k. You know that kind of thing. All of those things are indiscipline. If you really want to succeed in a vision, you will have to probably say no to luxury for a while. And then when you start harvesting the results, then people will now want to reckon with you. So, what you really need? Discipline.
What of a goat?
Yes, I'm coming.